In this video, we are going to learn how to remove EOPatch. You must deactivate the patch in Narsha before discarding or changing the patch. You can change the patch before it expires. You may also change the patch after receiving the patch expiration notification. Tap Confirm to begin. Tap the Settings menu icon at the top right of the home screen. Tap My Devices. Tap Discard Change Patch. Tap Discard Patch at the bottom of the screen. Tap Discard Patch on the pop-up screen to confirm the deactivation. The patch is deactivated. You may now remove the patch. Peel the edge of the adhesive tape and slowly remove the patch. Check if there are any symptoms of infection on the attached site and clean the area with an alcohol swab. Tap Confirm to view the activation screen. If you do not want to activate a new patch, tap Cancel. Tap the Home icon to view the home screen. Restart the whole process to apply a new patch. This is the end of removing EOPatch. Thank you for watching this video.